Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna sandwich spread Panlasang Pinoy full guide. Start by opening 2 cans of tuna and draining them well, then flake the tuna with a fork into a mixing bowl and add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, finely chopped onion and celery for crunch, a squeeze of calamansi or lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Mix evenly and chill to let flavors develop before serving. Gather simple ingredients for a reliable Panlasang Pinoy spread. 2 cans of tuna, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, finely chopped onion and celery, a squeeze of calamansi or lemon, salt and pepper, and optional chopped pickles or boiled egg for richness. Combine ingredients in a bowl, taste, and adjust seasoning, then chill briefly to let the flavors marry. These easy steps keep the recipe quick, fresh, and perfect for daily sandwiches or merienda. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your floors spotless so crumbs from sandwiches don't slow you down. It offers voice control and smart cleaning for busy kitchens and lazy cleanup days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love clean floors, it's worth a look. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble sandwiches by toasting bread to your liking, spreading a generous layer of chilled tuna spread, and adding crisp lettuce or sliced cucumber for freshness. For variety, try adding boiled egg slices, cheese, or a pinch of paprika for color and warmth. Cut the sandwich diagonally for classic presentation and pack in airtight containers if preparing ahead. This approach yields versatile sandwiches that are perfect for breakfast, merienda, or a quick on-the-go meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.